Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I got a dirt bike for Christmas, the gas dirt bike. If you have a gas dirt bike yourself, this is how to ride it. So you get the key's right there. You get this off, put the key in, turn it, and then you switch this way. I don't want to switch it, but the key isn't in there, so yeah, key isn't it on. And this is the handlebar that's to go forward. And after all that, less really long, and then you start to go fast, and then it'll go like that. This thing is really loud. Man, this gets hot. This thing gets hot, that thing gets hot, almost everything gets hot, that gets hot, this doesn't get hot, that doesn't get hot. It's basically the basic stuff. Go right here, your like bottom will burn. That thing is. Yeah, that thing is. Bye.